Hey everyone, today I'm breaking down something super important, the 4 types of sentences. Whether you're writing an essay, chatting with friends, or trying to sound a bit more natural, understanding these will make a huge difference. Let's dive right in. First up, declarative sentences. They make statements or share information. Think of them as your go-to for telling someone something. For example, the sky is blue. I love chocolate chip cookies. Next, interrogative sentences. These are all about asking questions. For example, what time is it? Did you finish your homework? They end with a question mark. Third, imperative sentences. Commands, instructions, requests. Close the door, please pass the salt. Sometimes you is understood. And finally, exclamatory sentences. Express excitement, express surprise, express frustration. They end with an exclamation mark. What a beautiful day. Watch out. Quick recap. Declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Challenge. Write one of each in the comments below. I'll give feedback. Mastering these makes your English clearer, more interesting, and way more effective. Keep practicing and mix things up. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video. Bye for now.